Okay, Caitlin Delacario in EAS Scenario Girl 2026 presents Magpie's Attack. Okay everyone, my scenario contains valid word tones, and I am not responsible for any of the tones. So whatever you all do, do not play my EAS scenario on the air, as it will cause massive panic, confusion, and trauma. Grab whatever you want and enjoy my scenario, like a pack of popcorn or something.
Law enforcement warning: the following message is transmitted by the request of the Cartoon Police Department. Residents in the city of Cartoon Apocalypse, get to your homes immediately. A strange creature was spotted scratching people in their faces, causing them to pass out in the blue. Police are investigating this situation, so all residents in the city of Cartoon Apocalypse are advised to stay away from the creature. If the creature breaks into your home, use arm protection. Please stay tuned for more information.
Caitlin, Mommy's bringing you a chicken nugget meal home.
Oh, okay.
She told you?
No, she didn't.
Okay, well, I'm going up to the dollar store to get some things. I'll be right back, okay? But she's on her way home.
Thank you. Sorry about that, guys. My niece let me know about some things. But anyways, back to my scenario. Uh-oh, that does not look good. Hopefully Batman will be able to stop her. 4 hours later.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Cartoon Police Department. The creature that was scratching people has been identified. The creature's name is Magpie, from the canceled show from Cartoon Network, Beware the Batman, has been spotted scratching people directly at their faces, causing them to pass out and been taken to the hospital. We have gotten reports that she is leaving Cartoon Apocalypse and she is now headed to Gotham City. If you see Magpie, get away from her and call the Cartoon Police. Stay tuned for more information.
Wow, Magpie's attack is growing stronger than before. Wow. More hours later, something big happened, and Magpie left Cartoon Apocalypse and went to Gotham City.
following message is transmitted by the request of the Gotham City Police Department. Magpie, the creature spotted in the city of Cartoon Apocalypse, is now causing a rampage, scratching more people than she has before. And it turns out that her fighting skills are growing stronger whenever she sees people. But all residents of Gotham City are advised to stay at home at this time. Remember to stay away from Magpie, as she is hard and dangerous. Please stay tuned to Gotham's news or station for more information.
More hours later, Batman finally stopped Magpie. Oh, thank gosh.
All clear. Repeat, all clear. The following message is transmitted by the request of Gotham City Police Department. This is an all-clear message. Magpie has finally been stopped. Thanks to the Dark Knight himself, Batman. He has stopped Magpie, and he is now taking her to the Gotham Police. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.
Or cooperation, if he means. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to my EAS Scenario channel as well as my main channel. This is me, Kate with the Lucario and EAS Scenario Girl 2026, known as Kate with the Great Cartoons, signing off. Bye everyone, and peace out to you all.